Welcome back to the channel and for watching these videos. We're back over at the Catamaran to see what the updates are, and most of the updates are inside. So let's jump inside the boat and see how it's looking. So at the moment you join us as my brother-in-law is cutting out some holes for part of the dash where the radio and the stereo control is going to be. Ultimately everything's being built so it can be dry fit, so it can be permanently fitted hopefully over Christmas and the New Year. And now my brother-in-law's moved position. You can see in the background some other cupboards that have already been dry fit. And there you have it, the stereo and the radio dry fit. There will be enough space behind this panel for all the wiring to be laid in. And as I open this panel you'll see that it's just dry fit as I say, and inside will be trimmed and built out a bit more, but it's all looking good with the nice door locks in place, and there's that panel completed. So now as we move over to the starboard side of the boat, you can see that there's a little cooker there in that cabinet, and my brother-in-law is busy cutting out the hole for the sink and a small hob. And just so you're aware, across the top of these cabinets there's still wooden trim to go in, so you won't see any of the joins of the cabinetry, but so far it's all come together very well, and you can just make out that on the doors the holes where the locks will go for the doors are still to go in as well. And in case you're wondering, once everything's ready to be permanently fitted, that work surface will be laminated to make sure it's watertight, and there will be a backing panel against the hull as well. And just like all the other cabinetry, there will be wood trim across the front and sides of all these cabinets, so you will see no joins in the cabinetry whatsoever. It will look nice and finished and professional at all times. So we've already troll fit the sink and the hob, and it's just a small final adjustments before we lay it back in and make sure everything's square. And there you have it, all fitted in. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. And now you'll just see another quick view of the work that's been done to dry fit the cupboards, and then we'll have a little look into the front bedroom. Here we go, which is pretty much finished, just needs some headlining. Now when the boat is completely finished I will do a before and after shot, but just so you're aware, if you remember correctly, this wasn't even a bedroom, this was a seating area. So all of this has been purpose built. My brother-in-law's built all of this out. Got some little lights on there, you saw the TV on the other wall. It's just some small finishing touches including that headliner, and then this part of the boat is pretty much complete. Everything's going on now, looks really good. Until the next time, take care and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.